Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to uh, how to change lock screen wallpaper in oppo a16e. So let us start our video. Firstly click on the setting icon. After that you will see many options. Swipe up and you will click on the home screen and lock screen magazine. Click on that. After that click on the set wallpaper. Again wallpaper. Wait. And here you will see many wallpaper. Choose a wallpaper which you want to change on the lock screen. I want that one, so click on that. After that set as lock screen wallpaper. Wait for a second, and here you will see the result. Our lock screen wallpaper is set in this way. So I hope this video helps you to set lock screen wallpaper in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.